infinity. To do it, you just look at it. You look at the highest power of the denominator. Of course, is bigger than this. So as you all know, what you do is you only consider this and this. Forget about this one, because as this one goes higher, this one can never come close to it. So forget about this one now. So what you consider now is the limit of this goes to x squared over x cubed. So you now see this one. If you reduce this one now, this one will go here 1, this one x. So the limit of x is 10 to infinity of 1 over x equals to what? So look at it now. You have 1 over x. What will happen if this x keep on growing? If x is 1, everything will here be 1. If x is 5, it will be 0.0 something. If x is 100, it will be 0.001. So as this x becomes so big, it becomes 0.0000 something. Let's say you put in 1 million here. So that means as this one increases towards infinity, that you can never get there, the value here will go close to 0. It becomes the value of x, the value of this function will be decreasing. So it goes towards 0. So the answer is 0. As this function tends to infinity, everything here goes towards 0. And that is the final answer. All right.